In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an app to ChatGPT 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your app connections, how to browse the catalog, what to look for before you connect, and how to manage everything safely and confidently. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, open Settings to access your account preferences. In the sidebar, find the section labeled Apps. Think of this as your central hub for all external connections. This is where you'll link new tools and keep track of the ones you've already connected. If you don't immediately see apps, make sure your ChatGPT app or browser is up to date and that you're signed in to the correct workspace or account. Next, let's browse what's available. Inside the Apps section, choose Explore Apps or Add More to open the catalog of compatible tools. At the top right, there's a search field where you can type a specific app name or a keyword that matches what you want to do, like notes, spreadsheets, customer support, or design. Click any app tile to open its details page. Take a moment to read the description, check who the provider is, and review the exact capabilities it unlocks inside ChatGPT. This helps you confirm whether the app aligns with your goals. It's a good idea to skim any linked documentation or privacy notes so you understand how your data will be used and stored. When you're ready to connect, select the app and click Connect. Follow the on-screen prompts. You may be redirected to the app's website to sign in or to approve specific permissions. Only grant access to the data you're comfortable sharing. Use the principle of least privilege and double-check the domain in your browser before entering credentials. If the service supports multi-factor authentication, it's worth enabling for extra security. After authorization, you'll be sent back to ChatGPT, and the app should appear as connected in your Apps Hub. If it doesn't show up right away, wait a moment or refresh your browser. Once it's visible, you're good to go. At any time, you can return to the Apps section to review your connections, update settings, or disconnect tools you no longer need. Periodically auditing this list helps keep your workspace tidy and your data protected. And that is all for today. Integrating your favorite apps is a powerful way to build a custom AI workflow that fits your specific needs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next